At 25 degrees north, a prime ecological zone, Gillen's Karst Peaks meet the Lee River system. Blessed with abundant sunshine and rainfall, nurtures the treasure Luohon. As a national geographical indication product, Luohangwa has over 800 years of application history, recorded since the Song Dynasty. The Chinese Pharmacopoeia lists it as traditional Chinese medicine. In 1987, the MOH of China approved it as both edible plants and medicines. Since 1993, SanLengBio has focused on research and development, production and sales of natural botanical extract. As an organic certified monk fruit manufacturer, SanLengBio stays ahead of the industry. Obtained USDA organic BRC, non-GMO, and other certifications. Adheres to global markets with excellent quality. Our products are sold to the United States, Europe, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia, etc. SanLengBio's products are trusted by the international market. Gillen's scenery is the best. Monk fruit is the gift of Gillen. Its core attribute is moistening. It moistens mouth and lungs. Very sweet, very healthy. Our purpose is to make healthy monk fruit products accessible. Enjoying life. We have two GMP production bases, Lingchuan and Suqiao. In 2023, Suqiao base upgraded its production capacity. Annual processing capacity exceeds 100,000 tons. In 2024, supported by local government, SanLengBio took over a demonstration base, invested over 40 million yuan, built a modern monk fruit base of 3,900, forming from seedling breeding, standardized cultivation to processing, a complete industrial chain system. In 2025, the second phase of the Suqiao base has been initiated, along with 2 additional new extraction lines. Every day, over 200 tons of raw material processing, greatly enhancing the added value of monk fruit. Quality raw materials are key to our product. SanLengBio established its core production base in monk fruit. This is based on a long-term commitment to sourcing superior raw materials. Yongfu is the birthplace of monk fruit. It boasts nearly 400 years of cultivation. Unique climate and soil conditions provide an ideal environment for monk fruit to grow perfectly. Tech innovation drives SanLengBio's development. With an independent tech, innovation and R&D center, we deeply collaborates with Shanghai Institute of Material Engineering, Guangxi Academy of Agricultural Science, and Gillen University of Technology, building a high-level R&D team dedicated to providing safe, natural, healthy products globally, with raw material and R&D advantages. SanLengBio has launched its own brand, Run Yuan Chi. Products include monk fruit drinks, monk fruit juice concentrate, and monk fruit sweetener, meeting modern needs with natural sweetness and health. Loved by consumers of all ages. While pursuing company growth, SanLengBio actively supports farmers, helps them, and enriches them through the model of company plus cooperative plus farmer. Guaranteed price for purchasing. Timely payment ensures farmer income. For our company, benefiting farmers is more than words for us. We hope that the business run by us can create the maximum value, into which farmers' benefit can be included. We aim, through our industry, to maximize natural, healthy ingredients work and bring greater returns to every supplying farmer, truly contributing to rural revitalization in our hometown. SanLengBio has also engaged in various public welfare activities, from disaster relief donations and irrigation facility support to long-term technical training, community care programs, fully empowering sustainable growth. The Luohangwa industry. From a fruit to a whole industry chain, to a trusted brand, SanLengBio is always driven by innovation, guided by a mission for now. Keep investing in plant extraction, bridging nature and technology, enabling this healthy fruit known by more people worldwide, contributing Chinese strength